who will be playing right to left on a rather soggy day here in Deqing, China at the 2024 ICF Canoe Polo World Championships, and we are underway. Sudirman versus Bang Zoitsas, and a foul in favor of Zoitsas. Good work by the young lady. And here we have Australia with the first attack. Cochrane putting it through the hands, sliding forward. Great save there by Sunjan. Sunjan saves it, but unfortunately Australia end up with it in the end and have a second bite at the apple. Cochrane dribbles herself. She has Zoitsas with her, but pops it over the top. Loose ball here. Aussie will regather through Barclay. Here comes Cochrane down the middle, out wide. Big shot there. Barclay sends it a mile. Refs call timeout as a new ball is brought onto the pitch. Bang Dang will restart. Pressure here from Steele. Steele steals it. Good work by the captain, leading by example. Back to Steele now. Steele dribbles. Has a feed inside if she needs it. Can't make it there. Well covered by Thailand. Meanwhile, on the far right, shot comes from Barclay, but blocked out for a corner. I think that was from Lexa. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. Aussie opened up the account through Zoitsas. Zoitsas scores the first goal. We'll see a long shot. Here it is. Well kept by Barclay. Yes. That has been the offensive strategy for Thailand for the games I've commentated, which has been most of them. The Thai families back home probably getting a little sick of my voice. Oh, little cheeky pass in there to Promlaksa. Ball's gone out of bounds. Outlet pass here. Barclay. Zoitsas. Zoitsas. Oh, so close. Off the top bar. Thailand improving every game I see them. Here's Steele. Oh no, that's Malivska. Malivska has her hand paddle fouled. Feed inside here. Fake shot. Good save by Sunjan. Out of bounds though. Australia keeping the offensive pressure on. And we'll get another corner throw here deep in the first half. 4 minutes gone. Australia up just by the single goal to Zoitsas. Here she is again, feed inside, fake, fake, back again. Good ball movement, sharing the ball between the two. Between Malivska and Hewitt scores. Big smile there. Beth Hewitt, happy to get on the board in this game. Takes Australia to a 2-0 lead. Thailand trying to put that ball through, but blocked there by Steele, and Steele has it again. Can she get it up the court? There's opportunities for Australia if they can do so quickly, but possibly a little bit late. And Thailand set defense back in position. Steele now with Malivska. Malivska, just puts that a little bit short of Barclay's grip. And they have to reset their offensive drives in their back line, but here comes Steele. Steele needs to shoot because there's not much time left. About 3 on the shot clock. Did a good job to get a corner out of that. Did very well. Steele driving. Got a obstruction call here. Didn't quite see what happened. Harmer to Malivska. Malivska scores. Nice goal there by Malivska. Well worked by Aussie. Good patience. Australia putting a bit of pressure on, making it more difficult for Thailand to score these long shots that they're known for. Promlaksa loses possession, paddle fouls in the meantime. Referee's timeout. We may see a card here. Yes, sir, the referee's digging into her pocket. Green card for number 6. Time is still off. One of the Thai girls there just struggling to roll. Really nice sportsmanship shown by Cochrane to help her up. She'll even retrieve her paddles in the meantime. Hewitt steaming down, scores her second goal. Really nice goal there. Thailand just need to reset back up on everyone on their side of halfway. Here they come. Aussie under 21 women continuing to apply pressure. Sudaman could be dangerous. Big shot there by Bang Ding. Put it off the bar though. And as Australia were trying to regather that, they put it behind the baseline. So another opportunity here for the Thailand women to get on the board. 4-2, Australia up. 7 minutes of this first half almost gone. Block there by Hewitt. The shot clock was reset. Unfortunately, it shouldn't have been. Hewitt nicks it again, but this time the ball gets safely away to Sunjan. Loose ball. Aussie comes up with it. Here's Cochrane with it. Long ball here. Here's Harmer. Harmer will have a look. Just pushed wide. Referee say there was a touch on that. Out for a corner. Powerful shot here coming. Who was that? That was Barclay. She's got a cannon of an arm. Wow, that was really traveling at a rate of knots. Really good score there by Australia. 2 minutes left to go. Just a little bit over in this first half. Harmer pressuring, as is Steele. Steele gets under the boat of her opposition, pushes her off the ball. Lovely steal by Steele. That's her second one of those. Long ball here ahead. Oh, a little bit high risk. But Steele picks it up. No, she doesn't. Sunjan does. Sunjan dribbles. Illegal kayak tackle called against Australia in Thailand's favor. Sung Wong, has she got space to operate? Thrown out of court, unfortunately. Good pressure by Harmer. Harmer wide to Barclay. Good pass to Steele. Steele shoots. Good save. Good save by Sunjan, but she threw it right back to the Aussies. And a paddle foul was called. Right under goal. Malevska misses on that one, blocked. She'll have a second attempt. Scores on her second attempt for her second goal. Australia woman doing really well here. 6 goals up. This is their best game so far in terms of scoreline. Oh, foul called. A holding call against Steele. 40 seconds left. Long ball doesn't connect. Malevska up to Steele now. Steele dribbles. Shot here. That's Harmer this time. Nice looking shot by Harmer. Take Aussie's score to 7 in this first half. Game clock showing 0 time, but the proper clock showing 11 seconds. Australia women putting 3 people on the ball. Paddle foul. Do they count the goal? Goal disallowed. But we may be coming back to discuss whether a GPS should have been awarded. No, they are not. It's just halftime. Refs now calling for the restart. Thailand trailing, Australia up with 7 goals. Wow, Lloyd charging against Steele. It's close. Wow, Lloyd got there first, but bullied off the ball. Steele. Wins that, uses her size and pushes the smaller Wow Lloyd off. Feed inside. Milevska starts to scoring for Australia and in the process scores her hat trick. Australia and Thailand both, I believe, missed the last world champs in Saint-Omer, so good to see them both making a comeback. Milevska continuing to apply pressure. Sun Jan looking for options. Steele, that's her 4th steal, living up to her namesake. Probably as strong as Steele as well. Oh no, Milevska put it off the bar. It's a good pressure there by the Thai woman to not make that too easy. Wow, Lloyd, can she pick this up? No. Milevska, too strong, pushes her off. Milevska feeds inside. There's a good looking shot by Hewitt. That's her hat trick. Australia really piling on the points. Harmer now. Nice long high shot, well placed by Harmer. That's 2 for her. Steele racing off. Cochrane on, as is Milevska. Sunjan passes back from Laksa. Back to Sunjan. Advantage being played. Shot clock is reset. Aussie Steele. Long shot. Good shot there by Zoitsas. She started the scoring today. She picks up her 2nd goal. And Australia up into double digits now, 11-0. Plenty of time left to play. Just under 8 minutes left in this game. Player possibly under goal here for Thailand. Under pressure though. Oh, leaning there. I don't think Hewitt heard the call. The whistle went, I think, when she was underwater. Her teammates let her know what's going on though. Long shot here by Sunyan. Sunjan can't connect on that occasion, puts it wide. Cochrane to Milevska. Milevska with the long dribble. Milevska with pace, she can shoot as well. Cochrane, oh, through Cochrane's hands. Out of bounds. Cochrane claiming she didn't touch it. Referees say otherwise. Promlaksa, long ball, nicely up to Bang Dang. Bang Dang can dribble, she has space in front of her. Back to Promlaksa. Over the top to Sunjan. Sunjan, she has Bang Dang. Can Bang Dang collect? She can. Wow, Loy, big long shot. Oh, agonizingly close there from Wow Loy. That was their best attempt at a look so far this game. Steele dribbles. Barclay has a big arm, but feeds inside. Milivska scores again. That's her 4th goal. Really nice feed inside and a nice strong finish. Matilda Maluska, very strong Australian name, Matilda, of course. Harmer. Zoitsas. Feed inside. Oh, just a little bit too much on that, and Malivska couldn't gather. Was picked up for another shot, but Thailand now has the ball. Oh, commentators curse just as I say that they lose possession again. Sudiman just couldn't bring that ball in. Zoitsas driving, pops it over the top. Here's a good shot. Hit a couple paddles on the way through, but Harmer converts. Harmer also now on a hat trick. 4 minutes 40 left to go in this game. Steal here, nicely picked up by Barclay. Barclay feeds Harmer. Hewitt's under goal by herself, 1-on-1. Good save by Hewitt. Promlaksa was coming in for support, but another goal for Hewitt. That's 4 for Hewitt. Big score now, 14 for Australia. The Thai girls are not giving up. They are still continuing to paddle and play good canoe polo. Fighting on. Working for that goal. Here, not that time. Promlaksa didn't get enough lift on that ball. We have a referee making a call. I didn't see it. Australia now moving the ball up the court with 4 minutes to go. Shot here. Blocked out for a corner. Good defensive work by Thailand on that occasion. Steal inside, good feed. It's a nice little feed into Zoitsas. Ball's gone out for a corner, 3 minutes to go. Australia piling into the defense, Trying to feed across to Cochran. Just out of her reach though. Sure Cochran would like to get on the scoreboard as well. Steele putting pressure on. Now here's Zortsas. Steele, oh, got a paddle to it. Not enough though. Tongpon. Tongpon puts the ball out of court. Shot coming, but it's a free. She calls in the crowd to take a shot, but it's only a free throw. Here's Steele. Steele driving. Just lost possession. Good defense by the Thai girls. Thai under-21 women. Tongpon collects it, being brave on the ball here. Good little pass here. Oh, yep, it does enough to get it to Sun Jan. Stolen once again. Malivska that time. Here's Steele. Has Barclay. Barclay can throw it. Oh, what a save. Sun Jan. Good as a goal. What a save. She was one-on-one with Barclay. Denied her that goal. And last minute of play now, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a long shot. That was Steele. Off the top bar and out, unfortunately. Bang Dang keeping this ball in play. Nicely done. Pops a little lob over the top to Sun Jan. Sun Jan looking for options. Has Bang Dang. Bang Dang controlling it nicely on the safe side of her boat. Passes back to Sun Jan. Sun Jan looking for options now. She passes it up. But collected here by now Malivska. Barclay. Barclay, another strong shot by her. That's her second goal of the game. 15 now for Australia. 20 seconds to go. 24 seconds. 24 seconds of play left on this second day of the World Championships when the senior men and senior women began their campaigns. And some fantastic polo. Some great goals being scored, including those by the Aussie under-21 women in this game. Obstruction being called. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and that will be time. Saved anyways by Bang Dang. Australia come away with a massive 15-0 win over Thailand. The Aussie supporters very proud of their girls. Many of them ex-Worlds players themselves, having achieved success back in the 80s and 90s. Well done. Must be very proud moments to see their offspring now competing as they once did. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure bringing you ICF Canoe Polo today. Thank you to our sponsors, International Canoe